Now I don't know if this is a thing, but I might have created a new genre of YouTube video, which is the exit apartment tour. Because we're leaving this apartment, and I'd never done a tour before. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do an exit apartment tour. This is bedroom 2. And actually what I'm doing is just looking for some shit that we left here. There's a coin there. That's not really that important. And yeah, nice. It was a nice apartment. I really enjoyed it. We just got into a bigger house, basically. Hold on. And we just come back to check some more shit. But we really enjoyed living there. I'm doing an exit apartment tour. Do you get pillow on what? What are you talking about?
And yes, my parents come.
There's no... I don't know.
For me, it's so high. That's
Alright, I'll get it. Just hold on. Don't do it at all. Okay, so this was the washing machine, tumble dryer is. Bathroom here.
Our basket. I mean our trash bin.
Oh really? Okay,
Yeah.
so we left the trash bin. Can't see anything because we turned the lights off, didn't we? And here's the living room area. Pretty large, nice big kitchen. And yeah, nice big TV. Sofa's pretty sweet. Up on the 9th floor. I'll actually quickly show you the gym as well. It's like literally the next floor up is a gym. And this is the bedroom we chose to waz each other in. No, sleep in. Sleeping things. Because yeah, this massive, you know, curved window here. So a really nice natural light coming in. But we lived next to this construction of this building for like a year. It was slightly annoying, not gonna lie. Oh, there's something. Oh, somebody left something cushiony thing. Just this. Creaky. Yeah, I'm not doing a very good commentation, am I? Commentary. And the other bathroom, nice big bathroom, big shower. Yes, I got it. Stop shouting stuff. So I used to repeat myself. For someone who doesn't listen, you should repeat yourself a lot. Yeah, no, it's sweet. It was really nice living here. Nice. The landlord was really nice, and the reception was really helpful. And yeah, the only reason we moved because we found a place that's better. You're like something from Star Wars. What's the woman from Mandalorian? Okay, I'm gonna go look at the gym again because I'm gonna miss the gym. I'm gonna cry because I don't get to see the gym anymore. So let's have a little tour up. So yeah, we used to live on the 8th floor, and then we moved up to the 9th, basically to get away from the most annoying neighbour. So if you haven't seen that video, look back in my videos and you'll see why. The guy basically was nocturnal. So here we are, 10th floor, gym. And honestly, this is like one of the best gyms in Vietnam that I've gone to. That's not been like 3 million a month. You know, this equipment's brand new. They only just bought this stuff like maybe 6 months ago. Free weights area, good amount of free weights. Someone's too lazy to put a 30 back. Why are they so lazy like this? It's not difficult, is it? Big old fan, that's very helpful. Treadmill I use pretty extensively actually. Got really into treadmills. After not really being a cardio guy for so long, but started to grow a bit of a baby, so I thought I'd better start doing more cardio. Yeah, so it's pretty sweet. Also, Mai hasn't remembered this, and I'm glad because I can't be bothered to deal with it. That's her pole that we installed in this like dance studio area, but she's forgotten about it, so actually going to not remind her because I'm too lazy to do anything about it. But we're living so close, like if there's a problem we need to get it, I'll just go and grab it, it's fine. But no one really notices things. Quick tour of the pool then, which you've probably seen before, but let's check it out anyway. Because that's how much of a nice guy I am. I like to do a thorough video where if I mention things I want to show you. what I'm talking about. So yeah, up on the roof, there's the pool. And when it's hot, this is absolutely beautiful. I think I tried to do a tour here before. I did one video where I was in the pool talking, and I did a video where I was like lying down, but I've never actually done a tour, so to speak. So here it is. It's very nice. You got 4 lounger beds. Actually, there's a little bit over there. We'll go back over there in a sec. Little area you can come and sit and have a drink with your significant other. Have a look at the sea, the surrounding area. You got Sunchao Mountain just there. You can literally just see Lady Buddha. Actually, no, you can't. Sorry, that's not Lady Buddha. That's the pagoda. But anyway, it's just behind this building. You got Hoi An that way, and then you got An Thuong, which is the expat area. Pretty much spans from that hotel all the way back that way, and it's sort of, yeah, bled into the sides as well. And that's it. I guess we'll finish off the tour over here. I'll do a little selfie outro so you guys can see what my face looks like. Yeah, we really enjoyed living here. Literally no, apart from a slightly annoying neighbour, you know, no grief with this place at all, just that we found a bigger place, as I keep saying. Pretty nice chair to come chill out with. So yeah, that's goodbye from me on another amazing video. Keep subscribing. I'm trying to get to 1,000 so that I can start doing live streams, because that's really what I want to do. Now I've got the GoPro 9, and I'm going to get a like router pack dongle thing so I can stream from with 5G. So yeah, keep subscribing, and also keep saying stuff in the comments, because I love responding to people and answering questions and stuff like that. And of course, like, once we start being able to stream, we're going to do some Q&As, me and Maya, so Maya and I. Yeah, so keep subbing. If you're watching me and you're not a sub, just sub. Like, it really helps me out. And I know a lot of people say this, and I'm not one to sort of say like and subscribe to the channel, but if you're someone who watches regularly, it just helps me out. So just do it, basically. So cheers, see you guys.